Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. Today I am sharing a Trader Joe's haul and I spent $300 today at Trader Joe's, which is a ton of money. Yes, I did buy some, I guess you could call them non-food items slash plants right there, but I'm also going to be doing several meal prep videos out of all of this and a few other things as well. So let me show you what I got. I did get some new items. So I did get these PB&J snack duos. It's been 2 months since I've been to Trader Joe's. I got these last time and they are delicious. So I got one bag of those. If you guys haven't watched my Trader Joe's hauls before, I hardly ever go there. I maybe go there every 2 to 3 months. So when I do go, I stock up. I got some of the Trader Joe's soft strawberry licorice twists. You guys will have to let me know if you have tried this before. I feel like I remember someone saying it was good, so I decided to pick up a bag of that. I got a bag of these party size mini meatballs. If you've never tried these, they're really good. They're in the freezer section. I'm using these for a recipe, but I have made spaghetti and meatballs with these before, and they're super convenient. My kids love them. I saw these Philly cheesesteak bow buns in the freezer section, and I thought they looked interesting, so I thought we would try those. I've never seen them there before, so I'm not sure if they're new or not. I also got some of the frozen mashed cauliflower for a recipe. This is very good if you've never tried it before. I got some of the turkey corn dogs for the kids for a quick lunch. I'm going to be doing a meal prep with this apple chicken sausage. It's going to be a breakfast meal prep, so stay tuned for that. I got some apples. We were totally out of those, and I always like to keep those on hand for snacking and things, so I just got a bag of these Jazz apples. These are really good. They're the frozen steamed chicken soup dumplings. I would recommend them. I've had them several times, and they're really good. I also picked up some thank you cards. I always need thank you cards on hand for when you guys send me cards and stuff to my P.O. box. So they had some really cute designs, and I love getting those because I think they're really good value. They're only 99 cents each. Let me know if you guys have tried these strawberry jalapeno crisps. I thought these would be good with cheese. I believe they are new. I've never seen them there before, so looking forward to trying those. I did get some of the regular vanilla JoJo's. I actually like those better than the chocolate ones. So these Crepe wafer cookies are so good. They actually taste kind of like ice cream cones. I don't know, it's very hard to explain. So you can eat them with ice cream or you can just have them with coffee. They're really good either way. Not very many come in this box, but I usually only buy one box because if I bought more boxes, I would eat them all, and they are stinking delicious. Here's what they look like. If you guys have never seen them before, they're kind of one of those cookies that is super tender and like melts in your mouth. It's delicious. I got some baby little cucumbers. I got these for a salad and a recipe. And then they said that they don't get these in for very long. They are the Very Cherry Plums. The cashier said they were really good, so I'm looking forward to trying those. I did also get some of their green goddess dip. I don't believe I've ever tried this before, but I thought that it would be a good dip for veggies, so I thought we'd try that. I got some cottage cheese. This is the 4% small curd cottage cheese. It's really good. And then for a meal prep, I also got some of their Mediterranean style hummus. This is also really good. It comes with pine nuts on top. All of their hummus is really good. I also really like their cilantro jalapeno hummus. I got one of their salad kits. This one is the Mediterranean style. It comes with like greens, feta cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, roasted chickpeas, and red wine vinaigrette. I'm going to be combining this with some of the grilled chicken that I got for a salad. And then they had these sangria tomatoes. I believe these were $2.99. It was one of the best values for cherry tomatoes, so I went ahead and grabbed those. I'm going to be making a recipe out of this. This is their Thai-style red curry sauce, so I grabbed that. I also got some of their almond butter granola. This is really good, and it is, I was looking at their granolas, and this looks like it was like the best one that was really crunchy, so I decided to get that. And then the kids really love these chocolate chip granola bites. They're actually vegan and dairy-free and gluten-free, so I would recommend them. They're pretty good, and the kids really like them for snacks. I decided to get some more basil because my basil plant out on the deck is not doing super hot. And so I want to plant an additional one out there so that I can have copious amounts of fresh basil when I want it. And then I also planted some mint that hasn't sprouted yet, and I saw that they had these pots of mint there, so I went ahead and grabbed this one to plant outside. Also, I got some cilantro for a recipe, some carrots, baby carrots to go with the hummus, and then they have these like kits in there by the salads. This is the miso vegetables and brown rice saute kit. Last time I was there, I got one of the noodle ones. That one was pretty good, so I thought we'd try this one. This one has brown rice, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, carrots, snow peas with a miso sauce. And I think I'm also going to combine this with some of the grilled chicken as well. I got some of the Trader Joe's Unexpected Cheddar cheese. This is really good if you like sharp cheddar cheese. I would recommend it. I always get it when I go there. And then I also got some feta cheese for a pasta salad. Okay, strawberries. I decided to get two 2-pound packages of these. They had them on sale for $4.99 each, which is a pretty decent price right now, and we go through strawberries quickly, so I decided to get those for the coming week. And then I also got some blueberries. I will wash these up, and then I'm actually going to do a meal prep with some of these, but then the others we'll just have at home have in the fridge to eat. And then I decided to grab these cooked chicken breasts. They have quite a few varieties of this chicken at Trader Joe's. These are actually like the whole chicken breasts, but they have other types too. I've purchased this before, and it's really good for like a quick meal prep, or if you just want some chicken to throw on a salad or something like that. So I decided to get those. I also got a couple packages of cream cheese. I always keep one of these on hand just in case I need it, and then Adam wanted one for a recipe that he's going to make on the smoker. I'm going to be prepping these falafel balls, and so I thought that I would try this from Trader Joe's. I don't believe I've ever tried this before. The last couple of times I've made falafel, I've made it homemade, so let me know if you guys have tried that. I got some 2% milk because we were almost out of that. I got some tartar sauce. I always like to try and keep tartar sauce on hand just when we have fish and we were out. This whole milk yogurt is really good. It's vanilla flavored. If you see it at your Trader Joe's, I would recommend it. I'm going to be using that for a recipe. And then I got some of the cheddar cheese snack sticks. My kids really like those. And then I haven't had burrata in a while, so I decided to grab some of this. If you never had this, it's just a big mozzarella ball that's filled with cream. It's really good with salad. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I will enjoy it when we have it. And then I got some sour cream for a recipe. I've talked about these before, but these Cubano seasoned wraps are so good. They come with this like mustard dipping sauce. So if you like Cuban sandwiches, I would definitely recommend those. They're really, really good. I also got some crunchy cookie butter. Like I said, we've been out of cookie butter for a while now, so I decided to get one of those, and I'm actually going to be using this in a dessert as well. I got some of the frozen chicken chili verde burritos. I have been on a frozen burrito kick for lunch. It's just something that has been super quick lately when I've been super busy at work, so grabbed that. I got some bacon. This was actually not a really good value. This isn't even a pound of bacon, and it was over $6. But I went ahead and got two. Adam needs one of these for a recipe, and then I'm just going to use one for breakfast tomorrow. I got some pasta, the farfalle for a pasta salad. I got some of the flatbread for meal prep. These are really good with hummus. And then for a salad recipe, I got some Kalamata olives. I was all out of those. I got these pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs just to make it easier on myself. I know that I can do it on my own, obviously, but these are going to be for a particular recipe I'm doing for meal prep. I cannot remember if I've ever tried this before. This is the Greek style feta dressing. I thought this would be good with a salad and the falafel. I think I have tried this before. I just can't remember specifically. So got that. This is new, I believe, this Magnific sauce. Apparently it's just like burger sauce. I don't know if it's supposed to be like Big Mac sauce or what, but anyway, I thought it was interesting, and we always eat more burgers in the summer, so I decided we would try that. I got some everything but the bagel potato chips. I don't think we've ever tried these before. Let me know if you guys have. Hopefully they're good. And then last time I was there, I did get these pretzel bagels. OMG, they're so good. If you toast them and put cream cheese on them, yum. I totally recommend. I got some tomato paste for a recipe. I also got some of the breaded ravioli. I figured I could cook this in the air fryer. Kira really likes that, and I haven't purchased it in a while. I got some of these ice cream sandwiches. They are actually already in the freezer, and this is just the box. But I thought these would be good for a treat for the kids. And then I got some hash browns for breakfast. I thought we would try this gluten-free chocolate chip brownie mix. I think I'm actually going to swirl some of the cookie butter into it, so hopefully that's good. I don't think we've ever tried the mac and cheese bites before, but you just cook these in the oven, and so I thought we'd give those a try. They look really good. I have had the coconut shrimp before. It's delicious. I would definitely recommend it. So I got a box of that. Got a bag of orange chicken. That is always a staple. Gotta love that. These soft pretzels that they have in the freezer section are really, really good. I would recommend them. I actually tried to make homemade soft pretzels a couple weeks back, and I was not super impressed with how they turned out. So I think I will probably just stick to the frozen soft pretzels. And then this is, I don't even know if this is Trader Joe's brand or what it is, but it says Mama's Biscuits Blueberry Lemon Cream. It says that you thaw these out and then basically just heat them up in the oven. They were in the freezer section there, and this was the last bag. So I thought, why don't I try those? So you guys will have to wait and see. I'll probably share this during my weekend prep video this weekend, but I'm looking forward to trying those. I have had the almond croissants before, and they are delightful, so I got another box of those. These black bean and corn enchiladas. I don't know if I've tried these or not, but I thought they would be a quick lunch. Pepperoni pizza, mac and cheese, definitely a guilty pleasure. I get this every time I go there. It is really, really good if you like mac and cheese. So I got 2 boxes of that, and then I got 1 box of the reduced guilt mac and cheese. And then I'm going to be doing a little bit of decorating in Kira's room this weekend, so I thought I would get her some succulents. This one was actually, I think, only $5.99, and this one was $1.99. So this is actually a succulent, and this is a cactus, or is it a cacti since it's singular? I don't know. I thought I could find a place for those in her room. So anyway, I'm going to get this stuff put away, and you guys will have to come back next week to see more videos. One of them is going to be a Trader Joe's meal prep, so make sure that you have your notifications turned on so you can see that when it comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.